Philistines attempted numerous frontal assaults through the valleys, trying in vain to gain back the central mountain ridge. They eventually decided to outflank the Israelites and attack from Mount Gilboa in the Jezreel Valley. The Philistine force camps at the base of Mount Moreh. Saul and the Israelites are camped on the heights of Mount Gilboa, overlooking the Jezreel. Saul seems to have the advantage, for he controls the high ground, and the terrain is steep enough to prevent chariot attacks. The Philistines march across the plain. Leading the way is the heavy infantry phalanx. The Israelites wait until the Philistines are about one-third of the way up Mount Gilboa. Then they engage. The fighting is fierce. The Israelites hold their own despite a multi-pronged Philistine attack.
The heavy phalanx infantry is pressing Saul on three sides.
Down, right.
The Philistine pressure is fierce. It's designed to pinch and press the Saul's force tight against the mountain so they cannot maneuver.
It only works for backup, yeah. You only use one. The other ones don't do nothing.